Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the latest and greatest in tech gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the DeepCool LT720 360mm AIO liquid CPU cooler. Let's see if this cooling solution lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about aesthetics. The DeepCool LT720 features a sleek design with a geometric infinity mirror pump block, giving it a unique and eye-catching appearance. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a workstation, this cooler adds a touch of style to any setup. Now, onto performance. The LT720 boasts a fourth-generation dual-chamber pump with a microchannel design to optimize coolant flow. With a high-performance motor running at 3,100 RPM and a massive 360mm radiator, this cooler packs some serious cooling power. It's capable of handling even overclocked CPUs with a TDP of up to 300 watts, ensuring your system stays frosty under heavy loads. Speaking of cooling, let's talk about the fans. The LT720 comes equipped with high-speed FK 120,120mm fans that deliver excellent airflow while keeping noise levels in check. Even under full load, the noise level stays under 32.9 decibels, thanks to noise damping pads and low noise adapters included in the box. Now, one of the biggest concerns with liquid coolers is the risk of leaks. But fear not. DeepCool has you covered with their anti-leak patent technology. This innovative feature includes a pressure relief device in the radiator vents, which helps prevent any leaking troubles, ensuring peace of mind for long-term use. So, what's the verdict? The DeepCool LT720 360mm AIO liquid CPU cooler offers a winning combination of style, performance, and reliability. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or PC enthusiast, this cooler has you covered. Plus, with a 3-year warranty, you can trust that DeepCool stands behind their product. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cooling!